I told you there's a secret weapon that you have access to get more views on your YouTube videos? It's called thumbnail A/B testing from TubeBuddy. And in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use. Hey there, I'm Kevin Kolbe, helping you do more with video. One of the tools I use all the time for my YouTube channel is TubeBuddy. In fact, it's one of the tools I've used to grow my YouTube channel. They have a feature called thumbnail A/B testing, and ooh, it is so cool. It's one of my favorite features and so easy to use. And if you use it, you have the chance to get more views on your videos. So let's dive into the computer. No, let's jump on the computer and I'll show you how to use it. All right, so I'm on my YouTube channel. Now you can access the TubeBuddy features on the main YouTube page or your channel page or even the studio. I just decided to start here. When you have TubeBuddy installed, you're gonna see this right here. If you don't see this, you need to install it first. When you click here, you have all these options. Now to get to the A/B testing, we wanna go right here, A/B test, and that's going to launch this. Now, I'm already signed in, and I already have other tests either going or I've done. So I want to create an A/B test for a video I've got going right now. I go create A/B test. I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to do for this one, I want to increase the click-through rate. That's what CTR stands for. I click that. Number of days, you can change it. I'm going to leave it for 14. And I'm going to do continue. Now, I need to choose the file. So right here, I'm going to choose this one. And this is the one we're going to change it to. It's uploading it. And this is going to be as easy as it is. I do start test, confirms it. Boom. And just like that, TubeBuddy will start testing these two thumbnails between each other. So when the A/B test is over, then TubeBuddy will tell you how the original version did against the variation. You'll get the percentage, and then you can decide if you want to use the variation or the original. Now, I also use Canva to create all my graphics and thumbnails, but you can also use TubeBuddy to create a thumbnail too. Now, to use the A/B testing in TubeBuddy, you'll need to be on the Legend plan. I've put a link down in the description where you can try any of the paid plans of TubeBuddy free for 30 days. Get out! No, that's seriously. Hey, thank you so much for watching this, and if it helped you, consider subscribing and hitting that like button too. I'm Kevin Kolbe. Keep creating. I'll see you next time.